Strategy isn't a static plan, it's a learning loop. In this training you'll use AI to design, stress test, and evolve a business strategy that adapts faster than the market. We'll start with vision plus goals, GPT draft scenarios, timelines, and priority maps. Then, competitive analysis. AI scrapes public data, clusters competitor moves, and finds whitespace opportunities. We map strategic bets, 3 to 5 initiatives that drive 80% of growth. Each bet gets an AI simulated outcome range, so you see risk, reward. Quarterly OKRs are generated from these bets. GPT drafts key results and projects. Execution rhythm is automated. AI writes weekly progress memos, flags blockers, and suggests pivots when metrics drift. We'll build a decision dashboard showing leading indicators, lagging results, and a narrative summary. For resilience, AI stress test strategy against shocks, price war, platform ban, competitor funding. You'll see contingency plays before crisis hits. Communication is smoother. GPT writes board updates, investor decks, and all hand speeches in your voice. By the end, you'll own a living strategy system. Vision, bets, metrics, loops, and comms, all continuously refreshed by AI.